Hey everyone, this is Natalie with the Safe Harbor team. I wanted to make you a quick video on how to create a custom smart plan. Um, I'll also show you where to find pre-made smart plans as well. So we're going to go over to the left-hand side here and go down to Smart Plans. Okay, so here it comes up with My Smart Plans, which will automatically show up with your People plans. You can tell that for Facebook lead follow-up, we have 3. The only reason for this is that you're not allowed to have more than 7 contacts within 7 days, and we do have more than that in our plan. That being said, you might be able to combine call and voicemail with email. I just ended up doing 3 different ones. And there might be a way to lift that 7 contact rule, but I don't know how. So if you know, please let me know. That would be extremely helpful. All right, so if you go over here to library, you can see the pre-made smart plans. We use this one for every lead that comes in. Quarterly call plan, we use that for our sphere. And I think we're going to start putting our sphere on a monthly neighborhood nurture as well. Birthdays, home anniversary. I haven't looked at these ones yet. Open house follow-up, I'm sure we will be using. And then promote my app. So, as you know, the app just came out. This is a smart plan specifically to promote that app. All right, so let's create a custom smart plan. We're going to go to create, test 1. So you can't change this. I'm hoping that in the future we'll be able to create a trigger event for leads and hopefully specifically Facebook leads eventually, where they will put Facebook leads directly onto these smart plans. But as of right now, as you can tell, you can't access either of these fields. All right, so again, this is the same thing that we just saw that you can't change. All right, new action. I don't want to show you how to make all 3 of these smart plans in their entirety because this will be a very long video. So I'm just going to show you how to do 1 or 2 of each. So we're going to go to add to smart plan. And we're immediately, well, this was popping up a few minutes ago, but I guess it's not right now. It could be updates in command going on. So when you click this, all of those smart plans, the pre-made smart plans and everything will pop up. I always put them on the neighborhood nurture smart plan. So after you do that, you're going to click save. Of course, it's not going to let us right now. And then you can put send SMS/MMS for texts. If you have Twilio, it will automate it. And they'll send the text out automatically. The only reason we don't have Twilio is because we would want our text to come from our own number, and that's not possible there. So we haven't really looked too far into it at this point. All right, so we're going to go over to our Facebook lead follow-up plan, which can be found in the Files tab of both of our Facebook groups. I will put the names of those Facebook groups or a link in the description below. Okay, so add to biweekly neighborhood nurture, which is up here. And then we do text number 1 and email number 1. So we're going to go all the way down to smart plans. So text. All right. Add to smart plan, got it. This is for day 1. Send text, this is the text. And if you're wondering what this thing is right here, okay, we could go over here to merge fields and select contact first name. I always put a space just in case. I haven't actually seen how this is formatted when I actually receive it, so I just don't want it to mess up this code right here. So I just put a space. I mean, it might not be necessary. I'll check it out when it comes to me. All right, so then we're going to add an email for the first day too. Going back to our plan. And mind you, the one up here is just a lead follow-up plan in case you're not using a smart plan. You have to go down past all of those and get to smart plans for the ones that are formatted for this. And then it says due in 1 day. Usually these have, okay, so they must have changed it since I made that plan a few days ago. So usually down here it would say due in whatever, but it's kind of unnecessary because you can set delays. I'll show you what that means in a minute. So we are going to go to our emails now, and we can go down to here. Okay, day number 1. We're just gonna copy and paste. All right, get rid of this. Okay, format it a little bit. All right, and this right here is just a link to the search engine on our website. I had pre-formatted it so that it pulled up price reductions within 7 days. And how you do that is, I believe the first link is just you can find other homes on our website by clicking here. Really hoping my computer doesn't die. If it does, I'm just gonna record a second video and edit them. All right, so then I just hit search. All right, so this is the link I set here. So the way you do that is basically you just write here, take this link, highlight it, add a hyperlink, link target, add link. And then I went over here and I clicked on the little search icon. Oh, no, wait, I didn't. I went over here to more, down, price reduced 7 days ago. Click that. It'll reset. And then this is a new link you would put the same way over here. Link, add link. All right. There we go. So hit save. Of course, it's not going to save because this is not popping up the way it should be. All right. So now we're going to do make a call. Well, actually, a call isn't until the next day. So going back up here, call 1 and text number 2. So set a delay. And we're going to make this 1 day. Save. And then we're going to go to make a call. Now you see that it went from day 1 to day 2 because of this 1 day delay. If we were to have changed it to this, it would be day 3 and so on. All right, so call. I'm going to go down to our call smart plans. Okay. If they answer, okay. So I've been putting both of these in here just so the agent knows. They kind of have a script to go off of. And then I'll put voicemail so that way they know what to say if they pick up, and then also what to say if they don't. And you can just reformat this. All right, you get it. Okay, save. Oh, well, I would put up here like lead follow-up call. And this is how it will show up in the tasks on the home page the day that it is due. Okay, so now we're going to do another text. Go back up to texts. Okay, day 2. Nope, this is the regular plan. We need the smart plan. Okay. All right, well, I must not have formatted this one correctly. I might need to redo that one and put it back in the file tab because I notice here that I have insert listing link because these are, well, actually, oh, I know why I did this, because we are sending out our text manually. They can insert the link. If you are not doing it manually, you're going to have to edit this and you won't be able to include a link or anything. So just make it a little bit more generic. Save. All right, and the last thing that I do, so after, imagine this whole thing is done, I put create task, and I just say remove lead from smart follow-up. Smart plans. Do not remove from biweekly neighborhood nurture. And you could even put the name of the contact in here so they can just pull it up and see exactly who it is. Yeah. So then you're going to save it. Again, right now it's not really working. And would you like to continue? Yes. All right, and then it will pop up here, and you can add someone by going here, searching for the contact, hit add to smart plan. Yeah, and then it will become active. So I'm going to delete that for now. I'm going to end this video because my computer, as you can see, is on 2%. However, I feel like you get the idea. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys.